Ray's tool tip of the day, little screw problems.
Hello and welcome to today's tool tip of the day. So what I'm doing is I'm taking some indicators apart, if you'll see on some of my previous videos, and also doing some watch repair. A couple of watches. So my issue is I have these tiny little screws and I need to pick them up. I can use pliers and tweezers, but I'd rather just pick them up with the screwdriver because it makes things faster. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub a magnet up against the screwdriver a couple of times, and it will magnetize the screwdriver tip. Then I can pick the screw up relatively easily and use the screwdriver to place it into the hole. Hope you enjoyed today's tool tip of the day.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the first Ray's tip of the day, little screw problems. If you've enjoyed this, there's many other videos that you might be interested in at Shop and Math. Also, if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. It costs nothing and it'll help me out. Thank you. Have a good day.